The another method is to measure the size of an astronomical object. Let us consider this is an astronomical object like moon or any star, right? Now we need to measure the size of this astronomical object, means if we can measure the radius of this or diameter of this object, so we can measure the size. Let us name the two diametrically opposite ends as A and B, right? So these are two positions on the opposite terminals of the diameter. Now let us consider a position on the surface of Earth from which that object is observed. Let us join these two positions like this and this one. This is the position on the surface of Earth from which we can observe these 2 points, right? Let it mention as O, and this is the angle theta. Fine. So here now in this case, this is the position. Since we are to measure the diameter, so it means by using the property theta is equal to arc upon radius. Here radius is the distance, let it be x. So this x can be measured, the distance can be measured by the previous method that I have explained earlier. So coming to the value of radius means in this case the radius of this distance, let we name as AC, right? So we can write here AC, radius is AC, arc is AB. So AC we can calculate by the previous method. Theta we can find out easily since this is on the surface of Earth by using the astronomical telescope. So AB can be calculated as theta into AC. This angle subtended on the surface of Earth by the two diametrically opposite positions of the astronomical object is called the angular diameter of moon. Let me write this: angular diameter of moon, and its value is 0.5 degree. 0.5 degree. This is one of the important question that most of the time comes for the 1 marks. What do you mean by angular diameter of moon? And write its value. So its value is 5.5 degree, and the angle subtended by the two opposite terminals or the diameter of the moon is at the surface of Earth is called the angular diameter of moon.